art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Luigi, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the middle, and we're going to draw in a nice big sideways oval for the nose. For the mustache, we're going to curve this out on either side. And now from that point, let's tuck that back around and into the center. Let's come underneath for the mouth. We're going to draw in a nice big arch line. On the top for the teeth, we're going to curve this across. And then for the tongue, we're going to curve that out. Let's move up now for the eyes, leaving a gap. On the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around, flattening that out as we bring that in on the side. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Now from here on the side, let's draw in a nice big arch line, curving this around and down, replicating that on the right. Let's come in up above and again drawing in an arch line, curving that over and down towards the inside. Now from here, let's draw in a nice big circle on the top for the highlight. And then now we're just going to color in those eyes black. Let's draw in the eyebrows up above. So we're going to arch this line across on both sides. And now from that inside point, we're going to curve this around and back down. Let's close off the brim of the cap here. So we're going to curve this in on the left and right hand side. And then we're going to extend this through in the center. Now from here, let's close this off on the top. So we're going to curve this around and back down on the right. Let's close off the hair on the inside. So we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that back up to the side. Let's come underneath the mouth for the chin, drawing in a curved line. We're going to arch that out on the left, curving that in towards the hair. And we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's draw in a nice big half circle on the left-hand side for the ear, replicating that on the opposite side as well. Let's add in the details inside the ear. So we're going to curve this up and over on the top. And then now coming underneath, we're just going to arch this back around and in. Let's close off the top of the hat. So on the left-hand side, we're going to make this wider at the base, curving that over, flattening that out in the center. And we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well, blending that back in together. Let's draw in the Luigi symbol here. So we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. And now let's draw in the letter L. We're going to draw in a straight line on the bottom. We're going to flatten this out on the left-hand side. We're going to bring this line across on the top. We're going to pull this down on the right, leaving a small gap. And then let's extend this out, ending this at the same width. Let's flatten this out. Let's come down for the overall strap. So we're going to come in from the middle, and we're going to curve this down, around, tucking that back up. We'll do the same in the opposite direction. Let's draw in a circle in the middle for the button. Now in the middle, let's curve this across. Now on the left-hand side, arching this in, we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Now in the middle, let's curve this out. From the center, we're going to draw two diagonal lines coming out. From here, we're going to curve this around and across. For the top of the shoe, curving this around and down. Let's move over towards the inside, curving this back down again, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to round that out underneath. Let's move up, curving this across again for the sole of the shoe. Now let's move in. We're going to curve this in for the top of the pant leg. And then we're going to close that off with a diagonal line, joining that to the torso. Let's move up, drawing in the arms. So from that corner, we're going to round out the arm on the left and right hand side. Let's close off the wrist, curving this around and in. Let's come down now for the thumb. We're going to curve this over and up. Moving up above, we're just going to draw in a small corner bracket. Let's round out that first finger, arching this over and through. Now from here in the center, curving that back in. And then one more time, just curving this around and over on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Luigi from Mario. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.